Good morning, Paul Georgia from Allendale. It's August 30th, 2011, and it's Tuesday morning. We've got Turnaround Tuesday in the making here today with a risk-off type attitude from the macro sense in the commodity markets here this morning. Most commodities are lower. The grains are down anywhere from 7 to 8, 9 cents in the corn, soybean markets. And most of this has got to be attributed to just a risk-off type trade that we are dealing with here this morning. The USDA announced the crop conditions report yesterday afternoon, putting the corn at 54% good to excellent versus 57% last week, so a downgrade of 3%. Trade was looking for a 1 to 2% decline. We also have got a 57% soybean good to excellent. That's a downgrade of 2% there. Spring wheat, 1% downgrade. However, spring wheat harvest is progressing rather rapidly, and they showed 50% of the spring wheat being harvested already. So the crop conditions there become almost meaningless when you look at the harvested number as well. With the market being down here this morning, it's kind of a buy the rumor, sell the fact type attitude. We had anticipated lower numbers on the crop conditions report. We got them, and now what is the trade going to feature on? We're kind of running out of time on the yield issues. The corn market, we know that we've got less yield than we had a year ago. We're looking and starting to harvest corn in southern Illinois and some areas of the Corn Belt, showing signs that crop conditions are just not as good as they were last year, or certainly not as good as Trendial was expecting. So that bit of news and feature to the market is starting to wear itself out. Now we've got to deal with what happens to demand. We're starting to see demand deteriorate especially in the poultry industry, where egg sets are continuing to decline on a weekly basis. We've got export sales that are running well below levels that would normally be supportive to the market. But so those are things that we've got to deal with. We're also at the end of the month. We got a holiday week ahead, or holiday weekend ahead of us. So traders are wanting to take some profits here, and certainly rightfully so. In the corn market, for instance, we've rallied in the last 7 sessions over 70 cents a bushel. So we have had a significant run here, and a market needs to set back. We think we will be well supported on setbacks, however. Rich Nelson in our office did a study on years where we've had sharp declines in yields from one year to the next, and we've had a potential 9% reduction in yield. Relates to price of about a 37% increase in price, and coincidentally, that 37% increase in price this year would equate to $7.90 So we're almost to that target, and a reason to be a little bit cautious if you're a trader. If you're a producer worrying about making sales, it might be time to take some protection and get that risk transferred. So stay in touch with Allendale. We'll try to help you in that area. And the livestock cutout values there: choice down 10 cents, select down 13. Pork cutout was down 116. Futures this morning are lower, mainly because of stock indexes and the macro market influences also carrying over into the livestock. A key point in the pork, October hogs trading, and is trading as we speak, below the critical support that we've seen for the last several days. If we open below there this morning in the open outcry, we could actually hit some more selling and find some more pressure in that market. So something to watch for as we go into the day. I want to remind everybody to help us out on the Allendale crop or yield survey that's going on right now through Friday. We appreciate your help, those that have filled it out. Anybody that hasn't, please go to our website or give us a call. And also want to invite anybody at the Farm Progress Show in Decatur, Illinois tomorrow. I will be at the University of Illinois booth for a presentation at 10:30 to 11:30 tomorrow morning. So hopefully some of you can stop by. Be glad to visit with you. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you. Bye-bye.